Did 2 amazing dives in the Liberty wreck this morning. That was great. As long as we got inside the wreck, it was all good, so no problem at all. This actually made me think about that, how we're learning the lessons. We have to get into the trouble to learn the lessons. Like, for example, sometimes if I have students and they think everything is cool, right? So then in some point actually they I have to give them some problems to make them learn the lesson. And always the problem when we're doing the drift dives, everybody's so spread it out. I'm just giving the surface marker, and when they got the surface marker and they got to blow out and start become nervous because they're getting separated, so then they learn the lesson. If there is a moderate current, of course, I ask students to swim against the current, just because simply they learn the horizontal position. Because if we get some difficulties, so then our body automatically start to optimize the things and trying to put less effort in everything we do. That's our nature, simply. So that's why if they're swimming against the current, they automatically getting into the horizontal position, and that's how I teach them horizontal position, because otherwise they cannot understand. Another way is to ask them to swim really close to the bottom, but because they are afraid of touching corals or damaging something, they're always really high. And in that point, probably the buoyancy is not that good. So it's always better to ask them to swim against the current. Beautiful view, by the way, right? One of the easy viewpoints. You can drive up the motorbike, you don't have to hike. And sometimes when I need a good background, I'm coming here. And this is a view to the another side. In some places there is only one viewpoint and people just packing up there, staying in a long lines just to take photos. I don't know, it's just like, I mean, Lempoyang, just come here. It's no one is here and you can get even better views. Just because this place actually simply closer to the Agong. We'll show you what's going on another side. As you can see, that's all rice season at the moment, and that's why, oh come on guys. It's rice season down there, and that's all planted with the rice. There's no corn anymore. Like there is some movement into the immigration office. They came out with a new announcement and changes in regulations that the people who has relatives here in Indonesia, they will be able to visit them one time only. But if you've been separated for a long time, you can come and visit. If someone got sick here, you can come and visit. I was talking to my lawyer and at the same time also immigration agent, and he said that there is some movement started. Still nothing is open. A lot of our friends would like to come, and they are like asking me every single day. No one really knows what will be next day. Yesterday there was absolutely quiet, and I was talking 2 days ago with him and he said nothing. Then accidentally immigration comes up with a new changes. That's how it's happening at the moment. I think it's the first sign that something start moving, and it's the first sign that probably soon everything will be open. Singaporean Airlines had a meeting with the Ministry of Indonesia, and they are going to start the flights, regular flights to Bali, a couple of times a week only in the beginning, but anyways, it's the first like a sign that something going on. Anyways, patience, definitely patience. I'm trying to report as long as I get something to know. I'm just trying to inform you as much I have some information, but since I'm not really sure and I'm not following constantly, I'm not sitting in these pages all the time. We are just signed up for the Facebook page Law and Regulation of Indonesia. That's where the trustful information comes for us, and that's what we transferring to you as long as we have it. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.